That may be a keeper too.
Close.
It'll be close.
Ain't the
I
most
think
big.
he'll make it.
Yeah, I think it looks like it.
Boy, you got a big old head and a small body, ain't you?
Yeah.
Measure that one. That one's awful long.
We'll see.
If he's it, and we got 5, we gotta get one more roll over the hook. Don't throw it back in yet. Measure it. The head first.
Head first.
Yep, it's over. Woo! Put it in there. It's over.
Yeah.
Yep.
Put it in the live weight.
16 in. That's 5.
Yep, that's 5.
One is pretty meaty.
Probably got
It's 5 right there.
pounds in there.
One of them was
Probably.
12
That's right.
pounds. Huge. See, they're going to walk.
Dang, that'd be a good day at the class.